What's the most effective way to structure a Google Ads campaign for a new e-commerce store? I've been setting up a new e-commerce store over the past few weeks. Okay, that's very good. And now I'm at the point where I need to figure out my Google Ads strategy. There is so much conflicting info out there. Some people swear by Performance Max, others insisting on starting with search and shipping split out with tightly themed ad group. It's kind of overwhelming trying to decide what actually works when you're starting from zero. The product catalog is pretty lean, just a handful of items for now, and I'm aiming for something sustainable rather than throwing cash at quick traffic. Uh, okay. So I've been testing the waters with a few suppliers. Found some solid one on Alibaba after more back and forth than I expected. So the supply side is mostly sorted. Now just about getting the right kind of eyes on the side. I'm curious how others approach this stage, especially those of you who have launched without a big budget or agency help. Did you group products into one campaign or split things up early? How much do you trust Google automation versus keeping control with manual bids and exact match? Would love to hear what structure actually worked for people in the early days and what turned out to be waste of time and money. Okay, so that's very good that you're trying to know the people opinion before running up. So I recommend people who are trying with e-commerce stores now, because there are so many items, but you have said that you have a lean items, not a lot, but still I recommend to run a Performance Max campaign. Okay, what happens is that the Performance Max campaign give equally split your products. If you feed your campaign with product feeding, so what happens is when equally all of your products given a fair chance to be advertised, then you may find out a number of products which are working well, and then create campaign search campaigns for your winning product. Okay, you can also run shopping campaign as well, but my opinion is go with the Performance Max. Give equal share to all of the products, see which products get the most order, and create a search campaign for winning products. With search campaigns you can have your, let me see, on the question what you asked. Okay, search and splitting test out. So yeah, so okay, so you asked manual bids and exact match. So yeah, go with search campaign for winning products. Go with search match keywords, and look for ads schedules, timings, performance, and for the intent, and also focus on negative keywords. And this is how you can effectively structure your Google Ads campaign for a new commerce store and win with the sales. So I hope this answers your question. But if you or anyone needs a professional with Google Ads for e-commerce store or any issue regarding Google Ads, we are a full-fledged Google Ads partner company. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. Take care and bye bye.